Hello everybody, Game Cooker US Rocks VR here. How are you doing today? Happy New Year again. Um, I'm going to be unboxing my stuff now before I build my computer, just to show you guys what everything looks like out of the box. I was going to do individuals, but I just don't have time. So I'll just show you everything in the beginning except for the monitor, because I'll show that when I got the computer together and everything's hooked up and working. So that's the only thing I won't be showing, at least first. Um, so anyway, without further ado, I'm building my RTX 4090 system with a 13700K. So I apologize for my setup again. This is all I got to work with up here. So that's just the way it is. So hope everything you're able to see everything clearly and or at least clear enough, so you can kind of get an idea of what everything looks like. All right. So thank you very much. Okay, this is the Corsair 4000D airflow case. So I'm just going to open this up with my knife here. Try to be as fast as I can with each one. This is black. I wanted to go with a white build, but stuff was a little more expensive white, so it wasn't in my budget. And I can say that um, I probably could have pulled this up a little. Let's see. How does that work? I mean, I can probably get my face in here a little bit. Yeah. If I shake this camera too much, it blips out on me. All right, there you go. So I got this case because I needed one that was wide enough um, for the 4090. So this is the one I went with. My lighting in here is not great, so again, forgive me. Forgive me. I think this is the bottom. It's not very heavy, so that's good. I mean, I don't know how much it weighs, but it's only like, I don't know, 5 pounds maybe? I mean, maybe it's a little more than that, but it doesn't feel like very heavy at all, so that's good because this thing's going to be heavy as it is, you know? So let's get the side view here so you can see it. Now, the problem with me here is lighting. I know it's not really great. Um, yeah, so I'll have to bring it a little closer probably. So there's glass. Right there's glass. Well, you could see it here, right? You can see. So that's a one-sided glass. It doesn't have a swing door, which is kind of a bummer. It has these like little screws here, I think. Well, maybe not. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it does have a swing door. Let me check. You get a little manual, which, well, I guess it's okay. Take off the tape. Ooh, that's the screen there. Has a little screen up here. I guess that's a dust for dust. Save that tape. So, as you can see here, there is a power switch, USB. I guess that's the Type C, and it's got the. My glasses are not very good. I can't see very well, so this is like a headphone jack. right here, and this is just a white, I think. So it's not that many ports, unfortunately. Um, would have liked to have seen more ports than that. Anyway, so let's take off this. I'm trying to get acclimated to the camera here. Take off this little thing here because I think that's how you take the window out. I never had these cases before, so that's why you read the manual, right? Hmm. Okay. Huh. Let me see here. Oh, okay. There's two little arrows here. So I guess you got to pull up. There we go. So it goes up and out. So it kind of slides in here and goes down. So it's very simple. Nothing, certainly nothing revolutionary. But it is a pain to get up. Alright, so let's take that out. Put that in the box. So, as you can see, this case is still going to be kind of tight with the RTX 4090. So I'm probably going to mount, if I can, I'm going to mount the all-in-one cooler up here. If it doesn't fit there, then I'm going to put it in the front here. Now I only got one fan with the, or two fans, one in the back, one in the front. I may purchase more if I need them, you know. It's got the power supply down here, which is nice. So you have this little covering here to keep everything kind of out of the way. Now there's a piece of styrofoam here. I'm not sure why. Um, Let me open up the back here so you can see the back. And it opens up the same way. Let me put this over here so I can see what that foam is for. Put these in my pocket. Okay, so let's open this up now. Okay, yeah, so that's the hard drive area. I don't know if you can see it. This thing up top here. This is a magnet, so it keeps sliding every time I push on it. Okay, so there's a hard drive area here. It's got some, you know, all the cables, I guess, to plug into the USB or to the motherboard. So I don't know what this padding is here for, though. I guess to keep it from crushing so it doesn't get deformed or something. Oh, it's got nice hard drive things in here, too. Look at that, slides right out. I like those kind. Get this off here. Let's see what these are. So it goes right in. Very nice. I like that. So this is probably ties and screws. Okay, that's cool. And straps for, um, I'm not sure because I've never used them before. So I'll have to look at the manual for that. Here's the ties and screws. So that's cool. Alrighty, so that's fine. So that I can just kind of put in the box too, so yeah, so this is probably just to keep it, like, I guess from bending down here. This part here is a little flexible. So yeah, so that's pretty much that. So you can put two SSDs here, it looks like, I think. I don't know if that's what that is. Huh, that's pretty cool. I can put my 1 TB SSD there. My old SSD. Okay, I can't get this back on. Hmm. I can't get it back on, man. There we go. Oh, here's the straps here, duh. The straps are for cable management. I'm so dopey. All right, yeah, well, anyway, I don't usually worry about cable management as much, so whatever. But that's cool. They give you nice straps to keep that nice, so that's awesome. Yeah, so I mean, if we took out if we took out the 4090, this thing's probably gonna be, eesh, pretty tight. Let's get the 4090 real quick. Wow. Yeah, this is still gonna be tight. I might have had to buy a bigger case. I may have to go buy a bigger case. All right, let's see here. My headphones keep going out. I don't know why it does that. It just goes to sleep all the time. Yeah, wow, this is gonna be pretty challenging, I think. Let's see. Hmm, this is a big boy. Big boy, man. Why they had to make them this big, I don't know. Wow. Oh boy, look at that. Wow. Huh. Now, obviously, there's a little bit of room to, because I can't, the screws are, in the way there, so I can't stick it in the, well, I guess I could do it like that if you can see. It's like right up against the fan, but that's not screwed in, so it would be kind of like this. So there's like not even not even a finger's width there, maybe. Phew. I don't know if that's going to be a challenge putting on the AIO if I have to put it there. Hmm, interesting. Do I have this backwards? No, it would be that way. Yeah, that's like very close. Hmm. I might have to pick up a bigger case. Maybe. Which is fine. I mean, whatever. Got to do what I got to do. But that means I got to put everything back together. Okay. Alrighty. Putting him back. Yeah, that's crazy, huh? I don't know. I might have to go to Micro Center and exchange that. Um, yeah, let me put this back on. I guess I put this back on here. I should, well, I guess I got to put everything back in. Crap. Hmm. You got the holes in there. That's funny. I wish they would make these metal because those little pins break off. And once they break off, this is useless, these hard drive holders. Now I've been wanting to keep like buy a big gigantic hard drive, so I might end up putting that like, I think they have like 10 or 14 terabytes or some ridiculous size. So then I can start saving my videos, because I don't usually save my videos. Okay, so that went on pretty nicely. Yeah, because I got to put this back. I think I'm going to have to get a bigger one. I mean, it'll fit, you know. It'll definitely fit. And this is very light too, so I like that. Some people might think don't like light, but if I have to move my computer, man, the lighter the better because my 9900K system that I have, Um, that thing is heavy, and that's only got a 2080 Ti in it. You know what I mean? But it has glass like all around. It's got glass on both sides and the front, so that made it very, very heavy. So anyway, so this is what it looks like a little closer. It's not best lighting over here, you know. See it that way, I guess. You know, it's not bad looking. It's a nice, simple case, but pretty nice looking, you know. Again, it's generic-ish, but it's built, you know, it looks nice, you know. So, yeah. All right, well that's the Corsair 4000D airflow. All right, so then I'm gonna get on to the next thing.